Hello and welcome to my channel Zucker Cooks. I'm Adela. Today's recipe will be beef in adobo, and this is not the typical Filipino chicken in adobo recipe. It's not even similar. This recipe is more Mexican related, so I'm going to show you how I make this beef in adobo. I have obviously beef, although I made this recipe before with pork and it came out just as good. My family was not even able to notice the difference. They thought it was beef. So either way, beef or pork, it comes out delicious. I have some garlic, some onion, some chile. So this is the dry chile or chili, and I have a combination of chile negro, chile ancho, and chile de árbol, and they are de-seeded, and I'll show you how we're gonna process them. Some apple cider vinegar, some chicken stock, and some clove, oregano, thyme, and cumin, salt, and olive oil. And this is pretty much it. That's all we need for this delicious dish, and you're gonna be surprised the way it tastes and looks. So let's get to it. The chilies were put in a saucepan and with water, and I let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Now these were de-seeded. I don't like them super hot, so de-seeded, and it still has a little spiciness to it, but not nearly as spicy as if I left the seeds in it. So put them in boiling water, let them sit for 10 minutes, and drain them. So this is what it looks like. Now at this point, I'm going to put it in my Vitamix with the chicken stock, the vinegar, and the spices. Mix it well, and that's gonna be pretty much the sauce for the beef. We're going to brown the beef in the olive oil for a few minutes, just until browned. This looks brown enough. I'm gonna remove it from the skillet, put it into a bowl, and then I'm gonna saute the minced garlic and the diced onion until it's translucent. The garlic and the onion is looking tender. So at this point, we're going to introduce the beef back into the skillet and mix it well. Here's my shortcut. Yeah, you can leave it on the stove. You add the sauce, the bay leaf, and you let it simmer for an hour and a half or two, or until it's tender enough for you. I don't want to wait that long, so I'm gonna use my Ninja here, and I'm gonna cook it in about 45 minutes, and that's it. So we're gonna add the sauce, the bay leaf, and cook it. "45 minutes have passed, and the beef is done. Here we have carne adobo, and it's really nice looking. You can eat it as is, or you can make tacos out of it, You can eat it with some white rice if you like. You can just, treat it as a stewed meat and flavorful. It tastes a little different from the typical beef stew, and it's just a different way of cooking with beef. So give it a try. It's fun and it tastes delicious. And I thank you for stopping by my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.